Hello guys, I purchased today a picture from IKEA. This is BJÖRKSTA Bridge into the Jungle, and I also got an aluminum frame for it. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble frame and mount a picture with frame visible. I'm using a blanket to protect picture frame from scratches. You have 4 pieces of frame, and all hardware will be inside of the box. And it comes with 4 flat corner braces that you have to secure with screws. And as you notice, there is no screw holes, just tighten the screws and that's it. So the beauty for this picture with frame is that you can choose between 2 different mounting methods. Mount with frame visible or with the canvas spanned around the frame. So it's entirely up to you, but in my opinion the frame is so beautiful that I don't want to hide it under the picture. So as you can see here, I didn't stretch enough this corner and I have to redo it again. I am removing the parts, stretching canvas and pushing the rails into the frame. When you finish stretching canvas and you are satisfied with the result, what you have to do is just to cut the excess of canvas. There is an empty space inside of the frame and I use it as a guide for scissors. So it is time to mount a frame and I use a piece of paper as a bag to collect dust. I take painter's tape, then I'm holding a screw next to a drill bit and applying the painter's tape on the drill bit. So I know exactly when I need to stop when I drill a hole for anchor. So and when you drill a hole, all of the dust will be collected inside of this paper bag. So now it's time to insert plastic anchor into the hole for your screw and secure 2 picture hangers. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.